kawaras para sa atin for today's video, magkakadto kita sa Japanese Uforo. So kung diin paligo kita sa hot spring. Since hindi pa pwede makapamassage ang inyong kawaras because of my operation last 3 months ago, so ang aton yung remedy is magpa-hot spring na lang. Kag of course, since nagapalanakit ng ako niya kalawasan kay wala nakamasahe, amuni ang aton niya remedy. So kahit papano, makuha ang mga lamig sa akong niya kalawasan. Kag syempre, upod ko ang akong duwa ka buddies sa aton for today's video. Advice lang gali guys that you have to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your soak sa hot spring to stay hydrated. And start with short session of 15 to 20 minutes and gradually increase the duration as your body adjusts. As we all know mga kawaras, that hot spring bath offer physical benefits like pain relief for muscle and joint. Kag naga-improve man ini siya sang circulation sang aton nga blood and soothing of skin conditions. And naga-reduce man ini siya sang stress sa aton kalawasan. Pero syempre, hindi tanan okay sa hot spring. So better speak with a healthcare professional before using hot springs, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition such as high blood pressure or heart problem to ensure the safety and suitability. But if you have none of the above condition, make it biskan once a week lang. Kay ako makahambal din ko sa inyo nga ang combination of heat and the cooling process after leaving the bath helps induce relaxation and promote deeper and more restful sleep. So ano pang ginahulat nyo mga kawaras? Experience the hot spring here at Japanese Uforo. Goodbye!